Have everyone noticed that I am obsessed with Stitch? Like, red. So everyone know my favorite color is also blue, so clock it. I don't know if it's a water stream. Today we're wearing it. I need to change my top. I'm just a blue girly, you know. I wear Crocs or not. I'm just a girl in this world. Yeah, I'm just a girl for real. Today is all about comfortability, so this is my jewelry. Crocs. Crocs is so dirty, guys. It looks keto. Cream ready. I'm just a girl in the world. I'll show you my fit, guys. Very basic, very cutesy, very demure. Like children. That is her. She is it. Basic cute. It's ghetto as met, guys.
Living lovely. Just lovely. I ain't wanna be with you.